Just did that to make you mad. Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. As always, my name is Wesley and to my left we have another pretty awesome system that we're going to showcase today. So the PC we're showcasing today has a lot of cool components, a lot of cool features. And as always, we're going to break it down for you, tell you what's in here, and go from there. So this PC today is going to be a gaming-based PC, and it is in a nice Be Quiet case. So this system is going to be a gaming-based system this time around, and it's going for the quiet aesthetic base 900. It's Dark Base Pro 900. So the PC we're showcasing, my hands are, what am I doing with my hands? Take 500, here we go. All right, so the PC we're showcasing today is going to be a gaming PC. Why? Start off with the case. So the case in this case is going, So the case is going to be a Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 Revision 2. The cool thing about this case, if you didn't know, it comes with three individual fans, being the Silent Wings 3, and they're going to be the 140mm fans. You're going to have two up front and one in the back. Also, on the back panel as well as the front panel, because this is the tempered glass edition, it is going to have noise dampening pads, which is always nice. Don't want a loud PC, obviously. So for the GPU for this build, we're going to have an ASUS ROG Strix 2080 Ti overclocked edition. As for the memory, it's going to be a kit of CORSAIR Vengeance RGB. This is going to be a 32 gigabyte kit, as well as the power supply, which you cannot see here because it's hidden behind this nice little shroud. It's going to be the CORSAIR AX 850 watt titanium rated power supply. For the CPU cooler for this build, it is going to be a TherMALTAKE Floe Riing RGB 360 TT Premium Edition cooler. It's going to be a 360mm radiator, which is going to be mounted up atop. Also, obviously comes with RGB fans, as it states in the name or description. So the storage in this PC is going to be a Samsung 860 EVO 1TB 2.5-inch drive, and we also have a 1TB HDD, which is going to be a SEAGATE BarraCuda. Now that is everything for component-wise in this build. However, there's one really cool thing I would like to point out, and that is going to be these cables here. These cables are custom sleeved cables that we get from MAINFrame, and when it comes to any of the custom sleeving kits, 90% of the custom sleeving kits, I should say to be accurate, they come from MAINFrame. So they help us out a lot. We've talked about them before. On the Sean O'Malley build, we had MAINFrame cables in there, and they looked really good. I really like these cables. The color really pops. I do want to say that there is a sleeving kit that is like acid green back there. That looks awesome. It looks really good. We'll have to do that one when it comes through. Sneak peek of what's to come. All right, everybody. Well, that is going to do it for this episode of AVARigs. If you like the PC in this video, you have two options to check out one just like it, or create one of your own. So option number one would be to go to AVADirect.com, check out our configurator where we have thousands of options that you can choose from. And in the event that our configurator doesn't have something you are looking for, that will lead me into option number two. You could reach out to our awesome sales team via email or giving them a ring, and they will assist in finding the item that you are looking for. As well as building out a really awesome PC of your liking. So again, avadirect.com or the sales team. But beyond that, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wesley, and thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next time.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com